Hello friends, I am here to introduce to you the rapid fire battle called Net Set Go that is going to help you top your career race. So these are the plans we have for you. The weekly plan. If you want, you can pay rupees 99 and take the weekly plan, in which every day of the week from Tuesday to Saturday, you will have a daily quiz game that you play online from 4 p.m. And if you miss it, you can play a little later, but there is only one attempt. And there will be a weekly mock test that comes on Sunday, and on Monday there will be a weekly webinar where Kalyani Vallath will discuss the questions in the mock test and help you guess correctly, remember correctly, and pass the exam. The Sunday mock test will be attempted only once by you in this plan. And the webinar you can watch live. It will be on Monday evenings. You won't have access to the recorded webinar and you can't watch it more than once. But you can be with me live and you can watch it on Monday evening. That is a weekly plan for just rupees 99. So 5 days of quizzes and mock test, both paper 1 and paper 2, and a discussion of the questions in order to help you get the correct perspective for the exam. Now, I hope that is clear. Let us now talk about the monthly plans. We are now in September, and when you join the rapid fire, you will be in level 1. Those who have already completed 1 month of Net Set Go or rapid fire battle will automatically go to level 2. In level 1, there are 3 plans. First is the silver plan, which comes to you for an entire month for a mere 299 rupees. The entire month from Tuesday to Saturday, you will be playing online with others the daily quiz game. If you miss it, don't worry. You can still attempt it another time. And in every week on Sundays, you will have the mock test with just 1 attempt. You cannot, if you miss it, you cannot repeat it. And there will be the discussion of the mock test questions live that you watch. In other words, the silver plan is the monthly plan of the weekly plan. Weekly, you can pay 99 and join. If you do not want some weeks, you don't have to pay. You can do it some weeks only. But if you join the silver plan, the monthly plan, then you can play every week of the month. Now, if you want more attempts for the daily quiz game, or if you want more attempts for the mock test, more than once you want to do the mock test in order to get better practice, and if you want to watch the webinar video again and again, then you can adopt the gold plan. It is not necessary, but if you wish, towards the exam 1 month, you can switch over to the gold plan if you wish. I will explain the gold plan. There will be daily quiz every day from Tuesday to Saturday, every week for a month, and you can attempt 2 times in a day. That means the same quiz you can do twice. It will be like revision and you will be thorough with the questions. The weekly mock test that comes on Sundays, as usual, you can write once, and if you want, you can attempt it a second time as well. So that will give you better practice. And the weekly webinar you can watch live, where I will discuss the questions in the mock test. That is a lot for an entire month for just rupees 499. And this is almost like a course. Because of the discussion of the questions, we will be covering a lot of important authors and works. And if you want an even more intensive plan, it is not necessary, but you can on sometimes in some months, you can switch over to the platinum plan. And there is an additional advantage for the gold plan. It is, you will get the PDF of the mock test paper and your responses, so that it will be like a study material. The gold plan gives you 5 rapid fire games every week, 1 mock test that you can attempt twice, a webinar that you can attend live, and you will also get the PDF of the mock test paper, all for just rupees 499. Now, the Platinum plan has the daily quiz game, unlimited attempts. You can attempt it. You can do the quiz several times if you want. And the weekly mock test also, unlimited attempts. You can attempt the mock test several times. The weekly webinar also, unlimited watch, because you can check the answers of the mock test on the PDF and watch the webinar, and it will become like a full-fledged net coaching program for an entire month, all for just rupees 999, less than 1,000 rupees. A net coaching program for an entire month never comes for 1,000 rupees like this. The daily quiz PDF file also you will get. The rapid fire quiz that happens at 4 p.m. every day. The PDF file of the quiz also you get in the Platinum plan. Isn't that awesome? Plus, you will get the recorded weekly webinars. You will get a private link to watch it anywhere at any time. So you will get a whole collection of videos where I will be discussing the questions and answers in the mock test and helping you to understand the authors and texts in the right perspective. That's a lot that you'll get for just rupees 999. And when you pass level 1, when you have done level 1, if you want, you can upgrade to level 2. So from September, you're now in October. Level 2 also has silver, gold, and platinum plans. As usual, level 2 will be more difficult questions, but you will get them 5 days a week from Tuesday to Saturday. More difficult questions in the mock test, where you can attempt it only once in the silver plan. And the weekly webinar also you can watch live. Same as in level 1, just rupees 299. The gold plan of level 2 is more difficult questions, daily quiz game for a month, 2 attempts a day, and weekly mock test again, 2 attempts a day. You can take the test twice for more practice. And the webinar where I'll discuss the mock test, you can watch live. But you will get the PDF of the mock test paper and your responses. All for just $4.99. But this is level 2. The question level will be more analytical and difficult. Platinum plan. As before in level 1, you will get a daily quiz game, unlimited attempts. You can do it as many times as you want. A weekly mock test, unlimited attempts, as many times as you want. Weekly webinar, unlimited watch. With the PDF, you can watch the webinar and you can also watch it several times. You will get the PDF of both daily rapid fire as well as the mock test and the recorded weekly webinars, which will be like 1 to 2 hours. You can watch anywhere, anytime, take down notes. The webinars will become more and more scholarly and useful in the coming months. Isn't that awesome? Just for rupees 999. So that's all about the rapid fire battle called Net Set Go. After you pass level 1, you automatically get upgraded to level 2. But if you do not want to do it every month or every week, it is okay. You can take a break and come back to us another week or another month. See you soon. For the link, the payment link to each of these plans, please check the message that comes along with this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.